Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Gonna make a quick video going over the top plays for tomorrow. We got OLB, PGY, FFIE, TBLT. Not a whole ton else really right now that I'm heavily watching. I'll post this in a little bit on Twitter, but for now let's focus on these main top watches. 3 multi-day bounces and a breakout. So PGY, solid push from, we'll call it high 2s all the way to 14 in 3 days. Just an absolute tank. So now that we have a red day, we're gonna just let it set the backside and then wait for it to start bottoming out, and then that could trigger a multi-day bounce. But it's key that we have at least one red day in there. Make sure the shorts are in control for at least a day, or at least make them feel that way. So we got PGY, multi-day bounce. FFIE had another fade today. Not really a fade, just didn't really do much, kind of sideways. Did finish at day lows, but we got this volume exhaustion. Now it's kind of in this range. If we zoom in here, in between the 270-ish area and the 230s. So let's see if this keeps holding up, and then that could trigger a bounce back to, if we're going to do 30% from 230, that's going to be what from here? 60, yada yada. 1 second. It should top out around 3, where it does have some resistance here. That's just going, if it does spike 30%, it could obviously go further. But FFIE, we got a solid push, 250 to 8-ish, just below it. And now it's gave up all those gains, and now we're looking for a bounce play. A lot of shorts in this the other day. So let's see if it fails to break down some more, finds a bottom, it could trigger a bounce. TBLT, another monster play from last week, going from the 2s to just under 10, the low 9s, mid 9s here. And came out with, what was it? How many shares? Stock offering, I think it was at $5. So we'll see how this works out. Got a solid red day. Now let the shorts take over. We'll just wait for that multi-day bounce as well. So ideally, in my opinion, it does fade a little bit more. But now that it has had a solid red day and it is decently off the highs, could be something to watch for a bounce play. Just shorts that are up, locking in their profits now that in their eyes their trend is reversing, and then there is some strength, some longs coming in, supporting it. Shorts start covering, that's more buying, and that could scare out some more shorts, and that could just lead to a whole domino effect of just a nice little bounce. Lastly here, OLB, got a breakout play. Not much volume right now. We really need to see some more, but I do like the trend that it has here overall. Keeps making higher lows, and we'll be watching for volume to come back, because if it does and it's holding up above 163 here, it could be a nice solid play. It is a low flow. If volume really does come back, it could really squeeze some shorts out, and I think it could get to past 180. I think we could get into the 2s. So yeah, just another idea to keep an eye out on this one, OLB. We'll see what gappers are happening tomorrow. I'll alert those. We had a decent one with phase today. This was my trade of the day. I tweeted all about it. I'll make a separate video lesson going over the day, my lesson, and going over this, so keep an eye out for that. Besides that, we'll just wrap this up. Hope this was useful. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Twitter at Pack a Punch Traders. Have a great day, and let's continue some of this momentum tomorrow.